Welcome, ladies, to a beauty revolution like no other. Get ready to unlock the secret to luscious lashes that turn heads wherever you go. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Luxillia magnetic eyelashes and eyeliner, the beauty industry's best-kept secret. Are you tired of the hassle of traditional lash glue and extensions? Want a quick and easy way to achieve those mesmerizing lashes you've always dreamed of? Luxillia has the answer. Imagine having lashes that are not only stunning but also stay firmly in place all day and night. With Luxillia, it's possible. Our lashes are different, and here's why. Luxillia's magnetic eyeliner is not your average liner. It's meticulously crafted right here in the USA and has been rigorously tested for safety. Our formula contains an abundance of micromagnetic particles that defy gravity, ensuring your lashes stay put with a confident blink. Applying Luxillia magnetic eyelashes is a breeze. Just apply the magnetic eyeliner like you would with any other liquid liner and watch the magic happen. The lashes effortlessly attach to the liner, giving you that stunning look you desire. Now let's talk about the lashes themselves. Luxillia lashes strike the perfect balance of volume and length. With ultra-thin 0.2 mm fibers, they deliver a natural yet glamorous look, ensuring you dazzle without looking overly dramatic. But wait, there's more! Luxillia doesn't just stop at beautiful lashes. We give you an exclusive offering, 50 extra liner. While other brands fall short with weak magnetic strength, Luxillia empowers you with ample magnetic power from the very first application. No compromises here. We also take pride in our ethical values. Luxillia is passionately against animal cruelty, and that's why all our offerings proudly bear the cruelty-free label. Our lashes are crafted from top-notch synthetic silk, ensuring your beauty shines without harm to animals. Now, you might be wondering about value. Luxillia doesn't just provide stunning lashes. We provide an experience. Each kit includes everything you need: our magnetic eyeliner, magnetic eyelashes, and a bonus applicator. Join the thousands of women who have already experienced the Luxillia difference. Transform your beauty routine and say goodbye to traditional lash struggles. We stand by our products with unwavering belief. That's why we offer a satisfaction guarantee. You have a full year from your purchase to discover and enjoy Luxillia. If you're not thrilled, we're more than happy to provide a refund. Your joy is our priority. Ladies, the power to unleash your beauty is now in your hands. Don't miss out on this beauty revolution. Order your Luxillia magnetic eyelashes and eyeliner kit today and experience the magic for yourself. Click the link below to order now and embrace the Luxillia difference. Your lashes will thank you.